Hello, guys, and welcome to a special episode for today, tonight, and whatever time you're watching. Good day. This is Earl, and special day today kasi Fantastic Four trailer came out today, just a couple of minutes ago, and we'll do a review. We'll do a reaction video for this video or for this teaser trailer from Marvel. Just to give you a little bit of background, this is a new Fantastic Four movie set in the MCU. The one thing that's different here is that it's not in the MCU na alam natin. This is an MCU, a different timeline, so to speak. So kaya medyo retro futuristic yung dating ng vibe ng pelikula, and the look ng team na to is because it's set in a different world. So rumor has it na yung apat na to, yung Fantastic Four na to, will be the MCU Fantastic Four going forward. So it's either they lose their universe, their Earth, and they have to go here, which is like a what if episode done 10 times, so to speak. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Also, this is a very new set of cast members. Pedro Pascal here, who we know as the Mandalorian, is going to be Reed Richards. Vanessa Kirby, who is the sister ni Deckard Shaw sa Hobbs and Shaw, is is a Sue Storm. Si Joseph Quinn, which is our favorite bad guy, the crazy guy from Stranger Things, here is playing Human Torch, Johnny Storm, and what is his name? Moss Backrack is going to be, sorry, I forgot his last name. But he is going to be playing the Thing / Ben Grimm. He is from The Bear, if you're watching that Disney FX series. So abangan na natin, ito na natin, kailangan nating panoorin to. Let's me just hit play and let's go.
Welcome to the Baxter Building.
We make a point to do family dinner every week. Sunday at 7 on the dot, no matter what. We're all here.
Okay, so that's family setup. So yes, this confirms that this is happening in the Baxter Building, although it's different from the Baxter Building that's in the MCU, because the rumor has it that yun yung former Avengers Tower, but maybe that isn't anymore kasi Thunderbolts just confirmed that the US government bought that. Anyway, Baxter Building. So yes, we're off to a good start para sa Fantastic Four na movie ng Marvel Studios. Let's go. I like that new look.
Hurry! How's that sauce coming?
Herbie is the robot that people hated. I hate Herbie. And then we have the Thing. Very good props. He's wearing the costume. Herbie nga is kasi ang backstory ni Herbie, guys, is before nung lumabas yung animated series ng Fantastic Four, they don't want kids to set themselves on fire. Ayaw nila na si Human Torch will parang mag-set ng bad example. Gusto ko maging si Human Torch, so I'm gonna flame on. So ang naisip ng Marvel and ng Hanna-Barbera before was replace Human Torch, get a new character, and that's why we get Herbie for like a new season or so instead of Human Torch. And then also ang ganda ng forma na ni Ben Grimm ni Thing dito sa part na to.
Yeah, I'll be the judge of that.
I also like the animation, and medyo hindi gruff yung boses ni Ben Grimm, so this is nice.
Okay.
Yes, and Ebon is also from The Bear, so very on point reference to.
Okay, is this guy
Yes, chef, wala. Okay.
I want to add a couple cloves of garlic. Not because it's not delicious, I just want to add a little bit of zip. Okay?
-5.
So we are seeing Reed Richards in the previous scene working very hard with this blackboard. So yes, that's going to be typical Reed Richards. If you're not a fan, if you're not familiar with the Fantastic Four, that's where he spends most of his time doing research, doing a lot of work on science work. So yeah, this is like a precursor kung ano ina-expect nyo when we see him in future Marvel Studios movies. He's always, probably ang intro lagi niya is like that. And then this scene that we're showing here right now is them, I think this is before the accident, before getting exposed with the cosmic rays. So again, retro-futuristic yung approach nila dito. It's an art style, medyo hindi na siya ano ngayon. Pero if you're familiar with Fallout, medyo ganun yung direction ng art na vibe na gusto nilang i-take. Next.
Before we went to the first tunnel, you couldn't turn invisible.
That's the accident. So yeah, that was the accident. They were going to be very faithful with how the Fantastic Four got their powers, which is they got pelted with cosmic beams, right, baby? Yeah, my daughter is, we're recording. Anyway, next.
Ben wasn't a rock.
Ben wasn't a rock. So yeah, Ben obviously got the short end sa deal na to. They got powers. Ben got stuck with looking like a rock person. But yeah, that's the cool thing about the Fantastic Four. Moving on.
Best pilot in the world right here. Best looking.
Yeah, that really stings a lot. For in a couple of seconds, in a couple of minutes, they're able to tell ano yung conflict at yung drama sa core ni Ben Grimm. He was a human guy, he was a normal guy, and then because of the accident, he's gotten turned into a freak, and now he has to live like this until his best friend is able to look for the cure.
And then Johnny never caught fire.
Yeah, we're not still used to this, but eventually Joseph Quinn from Stranger Things and A Quiet Place Day 1. He is our new Johnny Storm. So wala na si Killmonger and wala na si Cap as Human Torch. We have this guy, which jury's out for this one. Yeah, great.
Has always been a rock. Johnny is Johnny. I am right here.
Okay, wow. It's first time we're finally seeing another strong female character for the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It has been a while. Vanessa Kirby. Woo! Good choice, good choice. That flashback scene alone, let me go back there. That there is a really good indicator of how good Marvel's casting is. So good job, Marvel. I'm a big fan of this one. She got the look right. But please, Marvel rival players, kung ano man ang pinaplano ninyo and ano man yung iniisip ninyo, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, moving on.
I am right here. Whatever life throws at us,
Nice.
face it together.
Nice. Okay, so if you are not familiar with that, guys, that's like the well, sa books, what happened there was the Watcher, he came up with this what do you call this? Parang mga holograms para to throw off Galactus para hindi siya pumunta sa Earth. But it was late na kasi nakita na ni Silver Surfer yung Earth and na-realize nila na maganda tong planeta na to. So yeah. Pero yeah, that scene was definitely either a homage or it's a direct response to, or direct lifted from the books. That is a fantastic car, definitely a fantastic car. And Johnny blazing through the sky, New York sky, is really good, classic. I do want to see this version in the actual 616 MCU. Please do that, Marvel. Yeah, what time is it? It's clobbering time. Now you know, my love. Yeah, it's clobbering time. So Ben running at full speed. He's definitely gonna clobber something, and I am all for that. Do it, Marvel. Do it. That was John Malkovich the great actor John Malkovich. Rumor has it is either going to be the Mole Man or he's going to be yung tatay ni Sue and Johnny Storm. Looks like he's the dad, so yeah, good choice. Yes, this scene right there, that is Galactus, my friends. So he is not planet-sized, pero mukhang they are going to do some explanations on why he's not that big. Pero in the books, he can, size and shape shift. So it's not alien, so to speak. Now, pun intended, na he's gonna be that size in the movies.
As a family.
As a family. The Fantastic Four. Yes. First steps. Okay, so wala yung hinahanap kong scene, which was yung Galactus speaking into the Baxter Building. Mukhang part siya ng Comic-Con exclusive scenes. But that's okay. Nakita na rin naman natin yan. It just would have been nice kung nandun siya. I liked how this panned out. I like how they were able to introduce the core information about the characters without really having to spell it out and give us a ton of dialogue. Medyo bitin ako kay Johnny Storm. We didn't just see him. He was just a regular hothead, 2D hothead. Pero that's okay kasi this is the starting movie. This is the first step, by the way. So that's understandable. We also have a lot of nice retro stuff here. So this is definitely going to be cool when they transition over to the 616 universe. Again, medyo obvious talaga, guys, na where they are going to plan to end this. So may mawawala sa time stream, may mawawala at may mapupunta sa 616. But that's rumors at this point. Let's see how this goes when the movie comes out later this year. Anyway, my name is Earl and you are currently tuned in to the Fanboy SEO channel on YouTube. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and take care always. Bye, guys.